Wow, we have been overwhelmed by the response to our first two videos and your interest in getting started with year 2 of the EHR incentive program and learning more about how Total Dental can help. We are so excited that Total Dental is launching just in time for 2014 Meaningful Use and has partnered with us here at Total EHR. In fact, Total Dental has agreed to make our clients an exclusive offer, and we are having a hard time keeping it a secret. In our last video, we discussed some of the reasons why meaningful use is important and some of the pitfalls in choosing the wrong software or trying to do the program on your own. The good news is that with Total EHR and Total Dental, you don't have to be on your own in meeting the rigors of meaningful use. And we guarantee Total Dental software works for dentists because it was created exclusively for dentists. Not only does Total Dental work for meaningful use compliance, but it has all of the features you would expect in a cutting-edge practice management software, such as tooth and periodontal charting, billing, scheduling, reminders, digital x-ray integration, security, CDT codes, ICD-9 and 10 codes, and so much more. Total Dental didn't just want to make meaningful use easier, they wanted to make your life easier by creating a system that helps your practice run more efficiently and make more money. We have been bombarded with questions about meaningful use year 2 and Total Dental. I want to take a few minutes to address some of those and talk about the special deal being offered to a very select group of Total EHR clients. First, what is the Meaningful Use Program? Well, in 2009, the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, or ARRA, was signed into law and created the $19.2 billion High-Tech Act, creating the Medicaid and Medicare Incentives Program for eligible providers who adopt certified electronic health and medical records. This program is designed to save the government billions of dollars each year by alleviating the extra costs of the current paper-based systems used today and by helping eliminate fraud. Second, what are the requirements for dentists participating in the Medicaid EHR Incentive Grant Program? Dentists must meet the exact same eligibility requirements as other eligible professionals in order to qualify for payments under the Medicaid EHR Incentive Program. Total EHR can assist dentists in determining if they are eligible for the EHR Incentive Program and assist them in the qualifying process. Third, you mentioned Total Dental is cloud-based. What does that mean? That simply means that Total Dental runs on one of the safest, most secure internet-based platforms available. Users can access it from any internet connection, allowing for the most flexibility in managing your practice while still meeting patient health record protection guidelines. And finally, are there penalties if I don't participate in year 2 of the Meaningful Use Program? The answer to that question is a little tricky because it depends. If you receive Medicare dollars in your practice, then the answer is a definitive yes, regardless of whether or not your year 1 money came from Medicaid or Medicare. If you are only a Medicaid provider, then it depends on the state in which you are located. While right now only 2 states are making year 2 mandatory, we do expect other states to follow suit. Also, private payers are starting to consider and follow the same standards as meaningful use, and we expect more to begin requiring claims be filed similarly going forward. This trend seems to represent how healthcare works in this country. CMS establishes the standard, and private payers then eventually adopt the similar standard, while the Medicaid program from one state creates a standard followed by other state Medicaid programs, copying that same standard. Total EHR is offering you a chance to be an industry leader. If you become a member of this select group, we will help you get started with Total Dental for the latest in cloud-based certified EHR technology while meeting year 2 meaningful use guidelines. You can be at the forefront of thought leaders in dentistry and be a step ahead of the regulatory penalties. By working with Total EHR and Total Dental, you can qualify for your incentive money by the end of this year. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how you can become a member of the Dental Meaningful Use 50 Leadership Team. This will be a very elite group using Total Dental and working with Total EHR experts to meet the 2014 Meaningful Use deadline. Both time and space are limited, so be watching for the next video to ensure you're able to take advantage of top-tier customer service and timely Meaningful Use implementation. We've covered a lot of ground today, and we are so excited about learning more about you and your needs. As we lead up to our launch in September, I'll be sending more details about the event in the next couple of days. We are going to be offering a very special deal for a limited number of Total EHR clients. There's going to be some really cool stuff that I'll be sharing with you in the next video, so watch for it in your email. If you haven't done so already, make sure to sign up for a live demonstration of our complete Year 2 walkthrough. Also, remember to post your questions, comments, and suggestions to our blog. You'll find the links below.